If I were to make an official Loudoun County inspired cocktail, it would be called Middleburg Classic. I would use a fortified wine from Mount Defiance, a little bit of their absinthe, gin, and orange bitters. One of the great things about Loudoun County is you can discover a great drink at Sensitize Street and then head down the road to the brewery, winery, or distillery where it's made, and even a further trip down the road to the farms where the products are sourced.
Fabioli wine, it's all Loudoun. It's grown here, we produce it here, we bottle it here. It's authentic. The flavor's in the land, the flavor's in the air, the flavor's in the people. And as we come together, that's what makes something special.
Middleburg is one of Loudoun County's hidden gems. It's a horse country capital of Virginia with roots dating back to the 1700s. Mount Defiance Cidery and Distillery. Here they make amazing ciders. I fell in love with their vermouth and absinthe. You'll have fun here. Everything's amazing, tasty. The hidden gems are more so the nightlife. Getting a great late night cocktail or even a DJ on a Friday and Saturday night is a cool way to experience Loudoun County. I'll go out on my days off, visit a winery, visit a brewery, even a distillery, and learn more and find a way to bring it into the menu. You really feel the love when you're here. You are part of something. It's fun, it's unique. I can't compare it to any other place that I've lived and I've traveled. Loudoun County has a feeling of love and sense of community. And that's why I love Loudoun.